Hi, it's Fred and world-renowned hypnotist Justin Trans. Now, we're about to conduct our second time-traveling experiment. In case you missed the first one, go check it out.
Slade.
Now, in our second time-traveling experiment, Justin is going to hypnotize Jeff and Beth into believing they're in their future every day.
Beth and Jeff, when I snap my fingers, you've traveled 4 years in time. You've moved into your first apartment. And Jeff, it's time for you to pop that important question. Beth, will you marry me? People in a really deep state of hypnosis, we call that somnambulism.
Right.
Those people go in very easily, very quickly, so they're going to be feeling and experiencing everything for real.
Beth, will you marry me? Beth, will you marry me?
That's how you're gonna do it?
I thought I was supposed to kneel.
I mean, aren't you gonna say more stuff to me?
When we first met, we both liked pizza, even though we're both lactose intolerant. And that was a moment, and it was beautiful, like your eyes. Will you marry me?
Slade.
Rolling out of bed and going for it, which apparently is my style.
All right, your mom said your name's Christian, but you're playing Tim in this, right?
Jeff, when I snap my fingers, it's 6 years later, and you have a 5-year-old son named Tim. You're putting him to bed, but he wants to know where he came from. Nod your head if you understand. That's good.
Dad, where do babies come from? The kids in school say it's something between mummies and daddies.
Okay, well, when mommies and daddies love each other very much, sometimes they sort of get close and hug.
Show me!
Oh, no, I'm not doing that.
Well, how was that, having a son?
It was kind of nice, that, like, age of him. And then when he was 15, it was just like...
What is going on? I don't get that at all.
Music.
We love your music, but it's too loud.
Too loud. I can get way louder on this thing. I'm only at a 3.
Maybe you should move your music to the garage.
We don't even have a garage. How am I supposed to do this? Make it in a fireplace now?
I thought that we had a garage.
Yeah.
Slade.
And now, I don't know what I believe. I believed I was in the future. I believed we had kids.
So I guess we all learned a lot about control.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I think it kind of gives us an idea of a way we can go in our future and maybe change a few things.
Yeah, I'm gonna be a great dad.
For those of you that believe, no explanation is really necessary. And for those of you who do not believe, great imagination, lots of animation and exaggeration.